came with questions in my hands, pieces of dreams I couldn't understand, carrying shadows from yesterday, wondering if you would turn away. But you met me there in my brokenness, with mercy deeper than my emptiness. You called my name with a voice so kind, and reminded me that I am yours when I had nothing left to bring. You gave me everything. Your grace, you wrote my story. Your love became my soul. You found me in the ashes and showed me I belong. I am not who I used to be. Your mercy set me free. Jesus, forever I'll sing. Your grace rewrote my story. There were seasons I could not see, the work you were doing inside of me. Every tear that fell in the night, you were turning into light. You never wasted a single pain. You never left me in the rain. Through every valley, every fear, your faithful heart was always near. When I thought my hope was gone, you carried me along. Your grace rewrote my story. Your love became my song. You found me in the ashes and showed me I belong. I am not who I used to be. Your mercy has set me free. Jesus, forever I'll sing. Your grace rewrote my story. Now I stand with open hands, trusting all your perfect plans. The road ahead may still be unknown, but I know I'll never walk alone. You are the author of every page, the God who remains through every age. And what you started, you will complete. My future rests at your feet. Your grace rewrote my story. Your love became my soul. You found me in the ashes and showed me I belong. I am not who I used to be. Your mercy has set me free. Jesus, forever I'll sing. Your grace rewrote my story. You make all things new. You make all things new. The old has passed away, and I'm alive in you. You make all things new. You make all things new. My heart belongs to you. My life belongs to you. You make all things new. You make all things new. Every wound, every fear, you are healing here. You make grace that carries me home. Mercy speaking, hope awaking. I am never alone. Jesus, you are faithful. Jesus, you are near. Jesus, you are worthy, now and forever. Your grace rewrote my story. Your grace rewrote my story. Your grace rewrote my story. And I'll worship you forever.